perfectly cooked mushroom tikka is ready.
Hi, hello, and welcome to my channel. I really hope that you guys had a fantastic Onam. So it's festive season out here in Kerala. So I really hope all of my Malayali friends had a fabulous Onam, fabulous and a safe Onam to be precise. Let's all be safe and be indoors and celebrate this Onam as much as we can. So during this festive season, I have got myself a gift as well. So my kitchen was looking fairly incomplete without an OTG. OTG is nothing but an oven toaster grill. So initially I thought we'd buy a microwave oven, and then we came across a brand old alternative to it called oven toaster grill or an OTG. So there is not much of a difference between microwave oven and OTG. The only thing is oven is heated using microwave as the name suggests, whereas OTG is heated using electric coils. So and also the cooking time when it comes to microwave oven is much more faster as compared to an OTG. When it comes to baking or cooking a pizza or anything, I would prefer an OTG because I have read in many reviews that it gives more of a completeness to it, more of an old-fashioned taste and smell to it, which is what I am looking forward to as well. And we have also cooked our first recipe in this oven, which is nothing but a mushroom tikka. So I would like to show you guys how we did that as well. So let's get started.
It comes in a sleek and tight package. Now let's carefully open the layers. As you can see, it is completely secure. There is no damage at all. It also comes with a user manual book which has a warranty card and a wide variety of recipes that you can follow. This OTG is 19 liters and is a perfect fit for a small to medium family. Now let's check out the accessories that comes along with the OTG. First and foremost is the baking tray. It is a sleek and beautifully looking high quality baking tray that you can use for baking cakes, pizzas or cookies. Next is the crumb tray. It is used for collecting any kinds of dripping oils or crumbs. This is the adjusting part of the rotisserie rod, which I'll be explaining later. This is a rotisserie rod. It can be used for cooking paneer tikka or a complete chicken. It is useful because it keeps rotating while it is inside the oven and the heat distribution is even. This is a grill rack. This is used for grilling small pieces of chicken or mushrooms, or any lightweight grilling which cannot be done in the rotisserie rod can be done in the grill rack. Rotisserie removal tong or rotisserie handle is used to remove the rotisserie rod after cooking inside the oven. Now let's look at the different knobs that are available in the OTG. Temperature control knob, the function knob for the different recipes, and the timer control knob. Now let's see how to carefully fix the rotisserie rod. After fixing it, this is how we should remove it using a rotisserie removal tong. Now let's see how to fix the adjusting handle within the rotisserie rod. As you can see, it comes along with a screw which can be used to adjust as per your convenience. Adjusting handles are used to position the chicken or paneer that you would like to grill.
I hope you guys had a good idea about how the product looks like, how it is assembled. Now get on to the first dish I have ever cooked using my oven, and it's really worth it, is what we're gonna see now. So let's get right into it.
Let's start by placing the marinated mushrooms, onion and capsicum within its skewer rods. Skewer rods were not available along with the OTG and we had to buy them separately. After cooking for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, perfectly cooked mushroom tikka is ready.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please do let me know in the comments below. And if you're planning to buy an OTG, and if you have any doubts or questions related to an OTG, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer all your queries regarding it. Thank you so much. Until next time, it's Sai signing off. Bye bye.